Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Diwali decoration for your home this festive season, the Happy Diwali backdrop. This stunning piece isn't just a decoration, it's an experience that transforms your space and creates a festive atmosphere perfect for celebrations. This backdrop, designed by Juweked, features a captivating design that embodies the essence of Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights. The backdrop measures a generous 59 inches in length and 39.4 inches in width, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for your festivities. Its design includes classic Diwali elements like vibrant candlelight, traditional flowers, and majestic elephants, all beautifully embellished with gold letters spelling, Happy Diwali. This design not only enhances your decor but also adds a touch of elegance and tradition to your celebrations. What truly makes this backdrop stand out is its function as a photo booth prop. Imagine capturing precious moments with family and friends against this vibrant backdrop. It's not just about decoration, it's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're hosting a grand party or a small gathering, this backdrop serves as the perfect background for photos, helping you commemorate the joy of the occasion. Crafted from high-quality polyester, this backdrop is both sturdy and eco-friendly. You don't have to worry about it tearing easily or fading in color. The vivid patterns are printed clearly, ensuring that the backdrop will look stunning throughout your celebrations. When it comes to care, a simple hand wash is all it takes to keep it looking fresh and vibrant for years to come. Setting up this backdrop is a breeze. It can be easily hung indoors or outdoors, allowing you to get creative with your decorating. Whether you choose to drape it over a wall, a window, or even a garage door, the options are endless. This Diwali backdrop isn't just limited to the festival itself. It can be used for various other occasions like Deepavali, weddings, and festive parties. It's an excellent addition to your home decor that you can pull out year after year. To sum it all up, the Happy Diwali backdrop by Juweked is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to elevate their Diwali decorations. It's not only beautiful but also functional, making it a perfect centerpiece for your celebrations. So, if you're ready to create an enchanting atmosphere this Diwali, this backdrop is your go-to choice. Make sure to check it out and add a touch of festivity to your home. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Happy Diwali and see you in the next video.